I've got the scoop on Amazon's coolest car gadgets for 2025 that you won't find anywhere else. From smart sensors to futuristic lights, let's dive into the top. Hit play and join me. The TOPDON Tornado 9000 car battery charger is perfect for both 12V and 24V lead-acid batteries, including ACM, wet gel MAF-Cal, and EFB types. It offers advanced 9-step smart charging with 6 modes, including supply mode for stable DC output during ECU operations. The adjustable current and voltage feature allows precision control for various battery types. Built for professionals and heavy-duty use, it includes multi-protection against reverse polarity short circuits and overheating, ideal for ensuring optimal performance and extending battery life. The TOPDON Tornado 9000 is a must-have for anyone seeking reliable charging solutions for vehicles and equipment. The GUTA TPMS offers real-time tire monitoring for up to 34 tires, displaying data on a large screen. It supports up to 188 psi pressure and 185 tire temperature, making it ideal for large vehicles. With wireless setup, programming is simplified without the need for manual inflation, and an additional signal booster can extend the range. The system features advanced alerts for high, low pressure temperature, fast leaks, missing sensor signals, and low battery, ensuring safety on long trips. The monitor has a rechargeable lithium battery lasting 12-14 days on a full charge, and enters power-saving mode after 15 minutes of inactivity. Backed by a professional customer service team, the GUTA TPMS ensures peace of mind on the road. The roof rack cargo basket offers large storage capacity, holding up to 250 LEBs with dimensions of 64L x 39W x 6H, perfect for freeing up space in your vehicle. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a black powder coating, it resists weather and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. The bottom metal bars and side rails provide added security, while the steel wind fairing protects your cargo from wind damage and reduces wind resistance. Easy installation is guaranteed with 4 universal U-bolts, making it compatible with most vehicles. Ideal for camping supplies, firewood luggage, and more, this versatile cargo basket is perfect for road trips, camping, and moving. The LED light pod mounting bracket features an anti-slip surface with a multi-layer non-slip composite material to ensure the contact surface will not damage the car's paint. This universal bracket is compatible with almost all LED light pods and is easy to install without causing any damage to the car surface. It is stable and durable, with 5 screws providing a secure fit to tightly hold the light on the car cover. Made of 304 stainless steel, the surface is coated with rubber anti-rust paint, ensuring excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making it perfect for long-lasting performance in various weather conditions. The car seat protector offers a luxury design crafted with 3D modeling and Nappa leather to add a stylish touch to your car interior while enhancing comfort. The seat covers come in a universal fit compatible with most cars, SUVs, trucks, and pickups, with 2 front covers and 3 rear covers. Crafted from premium Nappa leather, they protect your seats from spill stains, pet hair, and UV rays, all while being waterproof and breathable. These covers maintain the full functionality of your seats, including airbags, seatbelts, and adjustments. With easy installation using chuck and hook, you can quickly set them up and enjoy long-lasting protection for your car seats. The SE Wurst 3 upgraded spot welder features an 11,000 mAh battery, fully rechargeable in 3 to 5 hours using a Type-C cable. It can weld thousands of points per full charge, making it ideal for 0.10 50 milli nickel sheets used in battery packs. With 80 adjustable power levels and fine-tuning options from 1.8 and 1.1 to 5.48 euro, it provides precise control for beginners and professionals alike. The LCD visible screen displays vital data such as battery status, temperature, and gear level for easy monitoring. Equipped with an intelligent chip and automatic shutoff at 60 or 140 degrees from the welder ensures safe operation. Perfect for spot welding 18650D batteries, this welder is a versatile, reliable tool for DIY and professional battery pack building. The Rhino USA 3-in-1 multi-purpose tool is an American-owned family-operated product designed for versatility and durability. It combines a 180-degree shovel, 90-degree pickaxe, and 90-degree pick hoe, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks. Despite its multifunctionality, it remains compact and portable, extending to 24 inches and folding down to 9x6 for easy storage in the included heavy-duty carry case. Weighing just 2 lbs, it's easy to carry anywhere. Constructed from carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish, it offers excellent strength and corrosion resistance. Plus, Rhino USA provides a real lifetime replacement, ensuring complete customer satisfaction with a replacement or refund if any issues arise. The 2-port USB car charger 3.0 allows you to charge 2 devices simultaneously, with one port featuring Quick Charge 3.0, compatible with 2.0 Huawei FCP Type-C, and Samsung, offering over 80% charging efficiency. It also supports hands-free calls featuring a high-performance microphone with CVC noise suppression technology for clear, crystal-clear conversations. Enjoy hi-fi music by inserting an MP3 USB flash drive into the right USB port, or stream your playlist without distortion from Bluetooth-enabled devices like iPhones, Androids, and more. The charger is compatible with iPhone, iPad, Samsung, Sony, and other Android devices. For peace of mind, it includes multi-safety protection, including overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. The chrome-coated panoramic rear-view mirror enhances driving safety with its superior anti-glare protection, offering better visibility at night compared to standard mirrors. Its chrome coating reduces the impact of high beams, ensuring a clearer view. This wide-angle convex mirror increases the field of vision by 30%, eliminating blind spots for safer driving and reversing. Easy to install, it clips on in just 5 seconds without tools and fits most compact cars and SUVs. The anti-shake design with 4 textured clips ensures a firm hold even on bumpy roads. Crafted from high-quality HD glass, it provides clearer, distortion-free reflections, helping you see both the road and backseat conditions more clearly for a safer, more comfortable driving experience. The 4K Plus 2 Untitled 80p front and inside dash cam offers crystal-clear footage with its 170-degree wide-angle cameras, featuring a 4K front-facing camera and a 1080p cabin-facing camera. You can upgrade it to a 3-channel camera with a separate rear camera purchase for complete coverage. It supports Type-C fast charging, ensuring faster, convenient charging and extended lifespan. The dash cam includes 2 installation mounts, suction cup, and 3M adhesive, giving you flexibility in installation. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, easily transfer videos to your phone and track driving location, speed, and route via the Kingsland map. The superior night vision technology captures detailed footage in low-light conditions, offering enhanced visibility even in complete darkness, making it ideal for all driving situations. The Fontic V8 Apex 4-in-1 mini-car vacuum is a compact multifunctional cleaner designed for detailed cleaning tasks. With 19,000 PA suction, powered by an 8,000 RPM brushless motor, it easily picks up sand, dust, and small debris in 2 modes, Eco 40 minutes and Max 13 minutes. The vacuum comes with 10 practical accessories, including a crevice nozzle pet brush and multi-surface brush, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach corners and remove pet hair. It features Type-C charging, fully charged in 2.5 hours, and has an ultra-light design at just 1.1 lbs, making it easy to handle with one hand. The HEPA filter captures 95.99% of dust, and the one-touch emptying system ensures a mess-free experience.